Binaba lang namin yung luggage namin. Hindi pa kami nag-check-in kasi hindi pa pala pwede mag-check-in this time doon sa hotel. So, kakain daw muna kami sa... Hindi ko alam. So, we are walking now in the old city in Georgia. May mga cobblestone siya. Park lang kami kasi mahirap din ang parking dahil ano to, busy street. Then, hanapin namin yung restaurant na kakainan namin. I think this is disadvantage of going to Georgia during winter time because it's very cold and I'm not used to cold weather. So medyo nasasuffer ako kasi ang lamig ng aking mga kamay. Ewan ko hanggang kailan ako makakatagal ng paglalakad. I think later ay isusuot ko na yung aking gloves later. Yeah, still the old town and we're just walking going to our restaurant kung saan man yun.
After a few minutes later, we arrived at Stelzen House, Tbilisi.
Ito kami kakain for lunch. We are going to have our lunch here. Ito yung restaurant niya. European cuisine. So, ito yung loob. Marami rin mga Filipino na kumakain. Nice. There's Stelzen House. Ito ang aming table. In order namin ay ito. Special dish from Stelzen House.
So this one, khachapuri.
Yeah, khachapuri.
You know, because it's our national Georgian.
Yes.
I think you will like also it. This is bread and cheese included. And this one, this is special khachapuri.
Just eat whatever you suggest.
What you will drink? Some juice or water or what you will?
You want to try their wine? Oh.
I don't like wine.
Okay.
Only one beer. You have rice? Yes. Okay.
Nice.
For rice, you.
Georgian Tony bread.
So this is their juice. Umorder ng beer. Same lang ang lasa. Pero hindi siya ganun kapait. We ordered King Kali. We are tasting today all the Georgian dishes and also Kinkali. So we'll see. Side dish, no? Ano in order natin? Platter. She's eating the Georgian bread with cabbage.
You like this? And you eat like this?
This is your way.
Look.
Ah.
This is like I'm eating in Arabic.
Nice. Okay.
Khachapuri.
Okay, nice.
Ayan.
Parang ano mabalita? Kinkali, one of their national dishes. Dumpling, it's so big. It's kinkali. Medyo malaki siya compared dun sa picture, pero we'll see kung anong lasa niya inside. Oh, the finale one. Okay, the special one, it's here. Nice. Chibuga na. Okay. Anong lasa, Marisa?
Malap-alap.
Maano? Masarap ba yung sausage nila? Maalat. Sausage nila? May ribs pa pala sila. Oh. Hinati na, hinati na. Oh, the crunch.
Malambot.
Ito agad talagang kinain, di ba? Lechon. Tikman na natin. Thank you. Tutorial of how to eat kinkali. Okay. Only like that.
Like that.
Ah, you make a small opening and then
So you should drink
the soup
the soup.
and then eat all together. Oh, so it will not be messy. I understand. And then drink the soup.
What is the meat? What is the meat?
Crocodile.
Ay,
Cow and pork mixed.
Cow?
And pork mixed.
Ah, okay.
Kuhang-kuha ka. Kuhang-kuha ka sa camera.
Ano yung mga yan? Ay, Diyos ko Lord.
Yan yung parang suka nila.
Diyos ko Lord. Ito nga.
Wala ba lang wasabi?
Wasabi. This one, the wasabi. Yun ang wasabi? This is wasabi? Oh, stop here.
She just wants to try.
You know what is
And then
wasabi, Nick? Wasabi. This one,
Masarap yung
wasabi.
sabaw.
Looks like that.
Sarap yung sabaw. Kaya lang nakakabusog yung, yung balot. Pero yung sabaw masarap.
Yeah, it tastes good. It tastes like dumpling nga. Dumpling.
Pero very big. Take out lang natin. We have a lot of food later. Oh. Ramadan tayo. Bye!